Your refrigerator might look a little different than this one, but don't worry, the tips may still apply, so feel free to give them a try. Ready to make some ice? The instructions are pretty chill. If your refrigerator was just installed, there are a few things to know. It's normal for minimal ice to be produced in the first 24 hours. Air in the new plumbing lines may cause the ice maker to cycle 2 or 3 times without making a full tray of ice. The new lines can also cause the first ice cubes to be discolored or taste a little funky. No worries, just toss out any ice made in the first 24 hours. Once that's all worked out, it will take about 1 to 2 days to produce the first full bin of fresh ice. So how do you turn the ice maker on? First, make sure the plumbing connections are secure and the water valve is open. Note, if the ice maker is on and the water supply is not connected, the water valve will make a loud chattering noise. Simply place the ice bin under the ice maker and push it back as far as possible. Then lower the wire signal arm to the on position. That's it. It should produce 2.5 to 3 pounds of ice every 24 hours, unless it was just installed. To turn the ice maker off, simply raise the wire signal arm until it locks in the off position. It will also turn off automatically when the ice container is full. Tip: it's a good idea to turn off the ice maker when you leave for vacation. That should do it. Endless ice with minimum effort. You've got this.